Finally, cash in that Google Play balance you've been hoarding on something awesome. First, make sure you have the Google Play Store app installed on your Android device and that you're logged in with the Google account that holds your desired balance. Open the Google Play Store. Now, you're going to search for an app that allows you to exchange your Google Play balance for gift cards, specifically an Amazon gift card. Note that Google Play Store doesn't directly offer Amazon gift card for purchase with the balance. In the search bar at the top, type gift card app and hit search. You'll see many apps that offer rewards and gift cards, and you'll need to choose one that is reputable and, importantly, offers Amazon gift cards as a redemption option. Carefully examine the search results, look for apps with high ratings, a large number of downloads, and positive reviews. I am selecting AppStation as this app usually offers Amazon gift cards. Download the app by tapping on the install button next to the app's name. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to launch it. Now, you'll typically need to earn points or rewards within the app by completing tasks, such as downloading and playing other games, completing surveys, or watching videos. The method varies by app, so follow the in-app instructions. Keep playing games to earn the required points. Once you've accumulated enough points to redeem for an Amazon gift card, navigate to the rewards or redemption section of the app. This is often labeled as rewards, gift cards, or payout. Browse the available gift card options and select Amazon. You'll likely see different denominations available. Choose the amount that you want and that you have sufficient points to redeem. Tap on the Amazon gift card option. A confirmation window will appear, showing the details of your redemption. Double-check the amount and the points required, and then tap the Confirm or Redeem button. The app will then generate your Amazon gift card code. This might be displayed directly within the app or sent to you via email, depending on the app's procedures. Copy this gift card code. Finally, go to the Amazon website or app, add items to your cart, and proceed to checkout. On the payment screen, you'll see an option to apply a gift card or promotional code. Paste the Amazon gift card code you received from the app into this field and click Apply. Your Amazon gift card balance will be applied to your order. Enjoy.